Congratulations, Isa, for another endorsement. So, what made you say yes?
Oh, actually, the minute that, well, when we got the message, and I said, Yale? And of course, I mean, you have a mental image of the lock, the padlock. So I told you, it's such a reputable brand. It's really, when you think of locks, so security, safety, you think of Yale. And then, so it was, it was a big yes, right? And, there have been a few approaches for locks for the house, for doing collabs, mga ganyan. And siguro hindi ko lang, parang it was just not the fit. So when this opportunity came around, I said, I think it's a fit because it's a brand that was established in Eden for really is part of our lives na eh. Sino bang lumaki na kahit isang beses ay hindi naka-experience na may Yale padlock, diba? Sa maleta man, sa gate nila. And now, it's high-tech already. They have CCTV cameras, they have safes, they have, of course, this high-tech way of securing our homes.
And this time in your life, kasi parang you're taking care of a home. So, ano ba yung mga extra safety measures na ina-apply mo, given na nandiyan si Dea?
Aso. Totoo I mean, apart from Yale, we have 3 dogs. It's really, you will know if someone's at the door or if something's happening. Grabe pag may papasok talagang may, parang gano'n. It's true. I mean, it sounds funny, but it's true. And then, of course, we make sure that, of course, we always have people at home. If they is involved. Pag si Ben lang, kahit siya lang, isa sa bahay. And of course, as a mother now, you want to take extra steps to ensure that your family, your home is safe. And that's why I just really felt that Yale is a perfect partner to ensure the safety and security of our home. It helps with the protection and peace of mind of every mother, of every homeowner.
How was the experience po using Yale Smart Locks po? Mas naramdaman niyo po ba na talagang naging secure kayo? Gano'ng kalaki po yung naging changes from yung traditional na may susi, gano'n, sa Smart Locks?
Ako kasi, lagi ko nakakalimutan yung mga susi, yung mga bagay-bagay. So kanina nga gusto mo, face or palm? Dati ako face palm moment lagi kasi nakalimutan ko na naman. So ngayon at least, you can, as Aya said earlier, 7 ways to open the door. The Lumen is my favorite. And it really makes it seamless. And I really love that through the app, you can now have better control of the safety and security of your home. Kulang na lang next natin CCTV at saka mga bawat kwarto, tsaka yung mga safe. Gusto mo di ba Sir Jonathan? Yeah, so it's really, it changes your life because it gives you better peace of mind.
Aside po dun sa Yale Luna po, ano pa po yung next favorite niyo po?
Ako! Zuri naman! Okay, yun, that's the one, like Yale Zuri, because I feel like you can put it anywhere. And it really depends on the finish of your home, of your door. I think it fits like a more modern home. But everything's modern naman. Ako nagkataon, parang ganito yung namin, yung door namin. So this one I think really is perfect for our home. So it's really finding what suits you, but also suits your budget. Kasi different price points yan. And so depends if it's for the front door, maybe it's this, maybe for bedrooms, it's any of these. So there's always a Yale product for you.
And ano na yung aabangan sa'yo in showbiz? Congratulations on the podcast. I listened to the first few episodes. Yes,
So,
yes. And
we're on hiatus because Ben and I are both busy. Ang hirap pagtagpuin kahit schedule lang namin. At ng producer, parang sandali. And then I recently did a Cinemalaya film. And kaya nagkasakit. Kasi night scenes sa Malayo, fumes, ayun na-trigger ang ating
so yun yung
asthma.
aabangan.
And, you know, I have to say, content creation is a lot of work. And you know, we have events, and I have She Talks Asia. We also have a podcast for She Talks Asia, which we just launched. And then, sometimes I also have to give time for actor. And of course, motherhood. So, these are the things that I juggle, day in and day out. And social media is work, I mean, even when you have a team there with you. And last night, okay, Mega Ball. Last night, I was like, okay, these are the videos that pasado alas 10 na ng gabi, iniisip ko kasi, pero first time ko ginagawa ito sa buhay. Kasi nung artista, may nabasa ko script, hintayin ko ang call time, darating ako sa set, memoryado ko, dadamahin ko lahat. Yun ang trabaho ko. Ngayon parang na rin ako nagpo-produce, IC ka na din, ng sarili mong publication, di ba? Sabi ko, hindi ko score strength ito. But we're all learning. We're all learning as, you know, we have to adapt. And it's very interesting also. Challenging.
Yeah.
You know, tinitimpla mo parang, okay, how do you do this post? Work with the team? How do you execute this brand work? How do you, diba? Yeah.
Sorry. And yung last na siguro sa akin, given this, you're a multi-hyphenate, di ba? Meron pa bang hobby or anything you want to unlock na parang gusto mo matutunan?
Well, I want to continue to be better at dancing. Actually, that's one of the things. I was so sad. Napagawa ko na yung costume. I was supposed to be part of the G-Force dance concert last week, but because of my bronchitis, I had to beg off.
Galing nung Beanie ha. Beanie performance. Ngayon lang natin.
So talagang nakapag-rehearse na ako. Nakadalawang araw na ako.
So dance.
Yeah, not meant to be for this time. But I'm very excited to dance more. Not always naman for big stages. It's really just to keep dancing and keep moving. And I recently got to try pottery.
Oh, yes.
For one of the brands that I work with. And matagal ko na siyang gustong gawin. Parang wala tayong lumaki ng 90s. May Demi Moore kasi na
Ghost.
Inception nung naganap, di ba, with Ghost. So, I tried it and it was
Fun.
had this parang you're in the zone. Like, you can't really think of anything else but that. Because you have to be one with the clay. Whoa! So, it's nice. I think it can be therapeutic, but I have to carve out time for that. And of course, working out is really my happiness. Moving is my
Super lasa kasi I
asthma.
Oh,
Pero
I feel
hindi,
you.
kaya natin to.
Last na. Si Dea kasi, di ba, kita namin kikay, very confident, kumakanta. Would you allow her, yun is my favorite, would you allow her to join showbiz? Or meron na bang signs na mukhang mag-artista to? Sige.
I think I need my own water bottle brand because I'm always drinking water. Well, in some ways, because of content creation and we have brand partners, it's almost like she's already entered a bit. There's some performance that's required, of course. But iba pa kasi yung full on. So I will take it one step at a time. Whatever she's comfortable with. Yeah, she's I think she's entering that phase where she wants to wear dresses. Pero hindi naman din super kikay. Pero sakto lang, but she likes princesses. Just going yun din, na-enjoy ko. So yun nga, nagkataon talaga yung araw na yun. Kasi may face painting, akala ko may parang salon setup. Akala ko face painting. May nails! Uy, ano yan?
Ayaw
Ganun
gumalaw.
siya talaga. Ganun siya talaga na huli. Hanggang pag-uwi, kain, ayaw niyang i-touch yung cutlery. Oh, yung kubierto sana. Sabi ko, you have to eat properly. Hanggang sa parang na-realize din niya na pwede naman siyang gumalaw. Nakakatawa siyang bata.
Thank you.
Nakaka-proud na nakakatawa siya.
Sa akin po, last na po. This week po kasi magkakaroon po ba kayo ng short break para sa Father's Day? Sobrang busy niyo po.
Binigay ko na yata sa kanya nung weekend. We were at the Mega Mall, so we were able to do a staycation. Thank you, Manila Police. Our friends there gave us a really good, they spoiled us. So, I think yun na yung aming vacation. Kasi this weekend, I'm going to Basila. Ewan, parang huwag na natin
Yeah,